Every word you say and every smile you make means a lot to me. Your small gaze and your lonely back are both difficult promises to me. Everything about you comes to me and becomes an unsolvable riddle. Sadness blooms like cosmos at the temporary station. You blew past me, and you are a fragrant breeze. I will now build a castle on the cumulus cloud and open a window to face you. Windy window.